everyone, my name is Sarah Prince. Today I'll teach you how to make a aeroplane that can fly even better. Take a red tack and paper. This and this, do like this, then take this part like this and fold it one side here, then take the another side. You can see this bottom in this side, but fold it little here, then you can see this like this, then you have to turn. I'm gonna close. Then cut this part. Then cut like this. Oh, not that. Then fold this side like this. Then side window. Then take another side and fold it like the same, that we don't forgot, like this. Then open this. Then we do like this, right? Then you can see an airplane shape like this. Then and have to come to. And thank you for the video. If you like, you can subscribe my video.